The words of gratitude. Once again, let us welcome her with a warm round of applause.
Walt Disney once said, "All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them." To our education program supervisor in mathematics, Ma'am Ligaya H. Mutilihao, our school principal, Dr. Salvador M. Besares, assistant school principal, Sir Noel L. Tupongbanwa, department heads, inspiring guest speaker, Dr. Romel M. Longno, to our beloved teachers, non-teaching staff, proud parents and guardians, and of course, to my fellow graduates, guests, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to everyone. I am Andreline Sandoval, a proud graduate of the Accountancy, Business, and Management. It is truly an honor to stand before you today as one of the graduates of Batch 2025-2026. Our high school journey has been one filled with change, growth, and new experiences. From the uncertainties brought by the pandemic to the challenges of senior high school, we have come a long way. And today, we finally stand here as graduates. Back then, every time I saw someone deliver a speech, I would imagine myself standing at that very place, expressing gratitude, sharing memories, and inspiring others. But with that dream also came many questions in my mind. Paano nila naubra? Makaya ko man ayahan? Pamatian mo ko bala ka mga tao kung ako ang maghahambal? Ano ba lang ihambal ko sila? Most of these were doubts. I often wondered if I could truly do it. I prayed for that chance to someday stand in front of a crowd as large as this to share even a bit of inspiration. Yet, I also reminded myself, siguro kung hindi paghihatag ni Lord Subo, basta hindi pagigyang raitan. Yes. But as I look at all of you today, I realized something important. God's right time is always better than mine. Throughout our journey, we shared countless moments together. Simple, yet unforgettable. From eating street food at the plaza after school, with a little chismisan on the side, to representing our sections and strands in competitions. Of course, behind the fun were challenges, like deadlines, unexpected classes in school, and the pressure to do our best. We honestly mastered the art of cramming, sometimes finishing tasks on the very day of the deadline, yet still making it work. And let's not forget group projects, where sometimes only a few carried most of the work, but somehow still managed to finish together. Beyond these moments were silent struggles. Some of us doubted ourselves, some felt lost, some carried heavy expectations, while others had to balance school with many responsibilities. Yet despite everything, each of us continued to move forward. Through it all, we held on to the promise found in Jeremiah 29, verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope in the future. Every challenge, every doubt, and every experience became part of the journey that led us to this very moment. To our teachers, thank you for believing in us, especially during the times we doubted ourselves. Your patience, guidance, and encouragement shaped not only our knowledge, but also our character. Though I may not be able to mention each one of you, please know that your dedication has helped mold us into the graduates we proudly are today. We are deeply grateful. To our parents and guardians, thank you for your endless love, sacrifices, and unwavering support. You stood behind every late-night project, every exam, every challenge, and every victory. Your encouragement gave us the strength to keep going even when things became difficult. This achievement is not only ours, it is yours as well. Please also allow me to take this moment to express my deepest gratitude To the people who stood behind me every step of the way, my family. Ryan Hamilaring Sandoval, Pa. Please stand as I recognize you today. Thank you for your love, sacrifices, and constant support. And of course, thank you for always bringing home not only Angel's Burger, but also little treats that get me going during late night projects and long study nights. Your simple gestures meant more than you know. Laineen Guzman Sandoval, Ma, even though you're far away, this moment is also for you. Despite the challenges we face over the past 7 years, from the pandemic to everything happening around the world, you always made sure that we felt your love and support. 18 years ago, you brought me into this world, and even though you and Papa became parents earlier than expected, you never failed to provide for us, not only our needs, but also our wants, making Adrian and I feel deeply loved, and maybe may pagkagamay na pagkasbot. To my nanay Veronica Sandoval, to my tatay Bongkol, Roger Sandoval, nanay Lucrecia Guzman, and tatay Efren Guzman, may apo na kamo nga nakatapos sa high school. Kag-isa pa ka-recipient sa Senate Gold Medal for Academic Excellence Award. Thank you for your prayers and encouragement. To my aunties and uncles, thank you for your support, especially to Auntie Mama, Maria Leia Adorio Guzman, and Uncle Ryan Guzman, who stood as a parents to me. And to Lola Josefa Gregorios and Mami Cecilia Gregorios, thank you for the tutorial sessions and guidance that helped me become who I am today. From the bottom of my heart, thank you very much. To my family and to my friends and classmates, thank you for the laughter, the memories, and the moments we shared. There were times when things were not always easy. May mga times na binaisay kita. But despite everything, we remained there for one another. Thank you for reminding me, Pahuway, Kamandre, your support meant more than you know. And to my fellow graduates, after today, not all of us will know exactly where we are headed, and that is perfectly okay. Some of us will pursue college, others will enter the workforce, and some are still discovering their path. Success is not about moving at the same speed as everyone else. It is about finding our own path and continuing forward step by step. There will be moments when we feel lost, when doubts return, and when things do not go according to our plan. But remember this, you do not have to be ahead of everyone else. You simply must never give up on yourself. Take chances, make mistakes, learn from them, grow from them. Every step you take, no matter how small, is part of your journey. And your journey or story matters. Before I end, let us do something together. Just raise your right hand, gently pat your shoulder, and quietly say to yourself, I am proud of myself.
I am proud of myself.
Because you should be. You made it. Again, congratulations to us, graduates of batch 2025-2026. We did it together. To God be all the glory. Thank you very much.
Thank you.